everyone. Right off the start, Cyberpunks 2.0, picking up some cubes. Daredevil Chickens doing the same. Cyberpunks 2.0, dispensing some cubes into that goal. Daredevil Chickens getting a lot of cubes into their system. Knocking off some red cubes as they're driving. And Cyberpunks 2.0 is lining up to another goal to get some more cubes in. You may now switch drivers. Cyberpunks 2.0 getting one cube into that third goal. Looks like they're going to try to push that second one in as we get to 25 seconds. Daredevil Chickens lighting up. Getting a ton of cubes into that goal. So we get to the last 15 seconds, we'll see if any of these teams can get some partial parks.
Guys, make sure everything is
It looks like they managed to do it.
Try to go slow, because I'm trying to go
5 seconds remaining.